I'm Delia from A Few Grey Hairs.
And I'm Liz from A Few Grey Hairs. I was Liz, or I am Liz, with Mike and Liz Hairpieces. Mike and I had our business together in 1970. We started it as a young couple, and a very successful business, as you probably all know. But unfortunately, Mike and I are not together any longer. So Delia and I have started A Few Grey Hairs together. But there we taught, when we had Delia and Logan, they both came into the business and they both learned different paths, but Delia doing the hairdressing and wig making, and a very successful hairdresser, I must say.
Thank you.
There we are.
Well, what Liz and I have decided to do is offer online courses and teach everything that we know around wigs and hair replacements. So the courses will run for a full year. There will be one course every month for 12 months, and it's only going to be 2.5 to 3 hours, so it's time that you can find, and then you will receive the video that you can keep, and we ask you not to share that, because it is important that we make a living as well. And then through the course material will also have a kit with it, and the kit will have everything that you need for each and every lesson that Liz and I are going to teach you. And you can have a look on our website. There'll be a list of materials that you'll be needing per month, and you can just choose the ones that you need, because you might actually very well have most of the things that are required to make wigs and hair pieces.
Yes, and I'm going to quickly show you what Dee and I can teach you. 3-stem plait, which is very nice to be able to plait, to knot and put into long hair if you're doing an up hairstyle for a wedding or for some special occasion. We all know, or you've probably seen the clip-in extensions, very easy to make. Then comes this, which is very nice to put in somebody has got shorter hair and is wanting to go to a dance or something. She wants to have this long hair, special occasion. Very nice, easy to make as well. This would be clipped in or with snappy clips, eh? And then comes the men's replacement, which you probably have seen, but if you haven't, we will teach you how to make this, how to wash it,
how to fit them, because they stay on for 6 weeks.
Yes. And with that, also with the wigs that are coming into the salon, or you must see a lot of wigs like we do, we're about to teach you how to make it smaller, bigger, how to add grey hair into a wig. These are all useful tips for a hairdresser to know.
This is a closure.
And then here's a closure. We've got clients where as they get older they start losing their hair on the top of the head. And so this little closure is very easy to make, very, very easy and fun.
It's a lovely skill to be able to learn how to hand knot, because in a hairdressing salon, as we all know, you have a run where you're busy and then you can be quiet. And in that time you can sit down at a desk
and do some ventilating, or hair knotting, as it really is called.
And then what we did was we patented a concept of making tape extensions, which we're wanting to teach you. And there you can take hair from a client sitting in the salon who's got abundant hair, or the girls from the high schools want to be able to donate hair to a worthy cause. We would then have your salon or yourself as a hairdresser listed on our website as a place where that hair can be taken and converted into things of any hair replacement, any extension. And it's just a lovely way to be able to top up your income, keep you busy all the time, and provide a service for your clients that really is an essential part of us.
All round, because we are able to do the wigs as well.
That's right, and all of us need to think out of the box and stay ahead of the game.
Absolutely. And then this last one we've just got here is a very nice little hair piece. It's called a halo. It is for a lady who, with long hair in this case, but it can be made shorter, that is going through chemotherapy. She doesn't want to wear a wig maybe in December. She wants to sit by the swimming pool. Here she can put on something much lighter, much cooler, goes around, a halo, and then she puts on a peak cap or on top of over it, and there it's hidden. Then the top of her head would be hidden with the cap. And then otherwise we make wraps or caps or whatever would go over this halo, which is a very nice thing to be able to make, and it's easy. It might look all very difficult. If you can sew, if you've got a sewing machine,
Doesn't have to be an industrial machine.
No.
And
we actually use if we've got a lot of work, then we'll use the industrial machine. Otherwise we've got normal sewing machines, and that's what you can use.
And really what Liz and I are wanting to share is that we're going to take you step by step. We'll be holding your hand right the way through, all the way. You won't be just shown something quickly. It'll be techniques and tensions and really things that we've learned the hard way that we can teach you to make that process so much easier.
Yes.
And then at the end of the course, if you do decide that you'd like to continue, we're going to have an annual small amount that you can pay, where we are available for any consulting. You can share any problems, any hurdles that you come across. We're here to support you right the way through.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so please take a look at our website. It's obviously afewgreyhairs.com, and have a look at the course structure. We've done the best that we can to make it affordable, as we know how it is to be hairdressers and making a living on our own. So we really look forward to meeting you and journeying with you on this very exciting step that we've decided to take. And
Definitely.
mother and daughter team.
And to pass on what we know.
Exactly.
We are ashamed to lose it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.